Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to find if first string is a subsequence of second string given two strings. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given two strings string 1 and string 2, find if string 1 is a subsequence of string 2. A subsequence is a sequence that can be derived from another sequence by deleting some elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. For input string 1 equal to AXY, string 2 equal to ADXCPY, output is true as string 1 is a subsequence of string 2. For input string 1 equal to AXY, string 2 equal to YADXCP, output is false as string 1 is not a subsequence of string 2. The idea is simple. We traverse both strings from one side to the other side, say from the rightmost character to leftmost. If we find a matching character, we move ahead in both the strings, otherwise we move ahead only in string 2. Let's look at the recursive implementation. M is the length of string 1 and N is the length of string 2. If M is 0, return true. If N is 0, return false. If the last characters of the two strings are matching, that is, if string 1 n-1 is same as string 2 n-1, return recursive call with updated values of m and n as m-1 and n-1. If last characters are not matching, return the recursive call with updated value of n as n-1. Now let's have a look at the iterative implementation. Define j as 0, which is the index for string 1. Traverse string 2 and string 1 and compare the current character of string 2 with the first unmatched character of string 1. If matched, then move ahead in string 1. That is, if string 1j is same as string 2I, do j++. If all the characters of string 1 were found in string 2, return true. That is, return j equal to m. The time complexity of both the methods is order n, where n is the length of string 2. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.